Vaibhavi Batra, a law graduate and currently pursuing my Masters in Business Law from NLSIU Bangalore, free of cost, online CLAT Marathon 2024 program, which is, I tell you. Greetings everyone. On behalf of Pathshala family, I welcome you all. I, Vaibhavi Batra, a law graduate and currently pursuing my Masters in Business Law from NLSIU Bangalore, welcomes you all to our channel. जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, पाठशाला classes are number one in their game and their results have proven the same. So with that respect and for the students who are eager to learn for the upcoming examination, our teachers and founders have come up with an excellent online program which is, I tell you, free of cost, known as Online CLAT Marathon 2024. हमारे टीचर्स एंड फाउंडर्स ने ये प्रोग्राम स्पेसिफिकली द स्टूडेंट्स वर ईगर टू लर्न एंड eager to give the entrance examination of CLAT UG 2024 specifically उनकी प्रिपरेशन में बहुत हेल्प करने के लिए बनाई गई है. जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, जो CLAT 2024 है उसका सिलेबस इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 5 पार्ट्स, which is I tell you, first is the English, second is logical reasoning, please don't mind my writing, third is quantitative techniques, fourth is current affairs plus GK, fifth is legal reasoning. आप सभी जानते हैं कि इंग्लिश, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग एंड क्वांटिटेटिव टेक्निक की सिलेबस plus practice books are easily available in the market. Also, these three constitute 50% of the syllabus and these two alone constitute 50% of the syllabus. So, और इसका आपको बहुत अच्छी बुक्स मिल जाएंगी प्रैक्टिस के लिए एंड दिस इज आई थिंक व्हाट वी हैव बीन डूइंग इन आवर स्कूल एज वेल. सो इट इज रियली इजी टू ग्रैस्प, यू जस्ट हैव टू पॉलिश. ऑल्सो वील प्रोवाइड यू विद द लिंक ऑफ बुक्स जो आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द करंट अफेयर्स एंड लीगल रीजनिंग. सो इन दिस ऑनलाइन क्लास लीगल मैराथन फॉर द CLAT, we would be covering the topics of legal reasoning plus current affairs and GK. This portion and this portion, they both almost cover like individually 28 to 32 questions and this also 28 to 32 questions. Now the point is, in current affairs plus GK, there are topics like politics, celebs, awards, art and culture, etc. And we will be covering January 2023 से लेके till the exam December 2023 तक के topics within this. Apart from this, in legal reasoning would be dealing with the law नहीं आता है exactly, but there's few topics law के. So, for example, we have few topics of constitution, then there is little from family law, contracts, torts, basic concept, basically basic concepts plus moral principles. So in this entire online marathon program, we would be covering legal reasoning and GK plus current affairs. कोई ना कोई topic we'll take up. The videos will be put on every alternate day. Apart from this, we would be taking up questions जो भी आप लोग comment box में करते हैं. It will help you a lot. It will help you revise. It will help you learn. Basically, if you go through it, it will be like a revision for you all. And we are really looking forward to teach you, to guide you. And I hope you love our series. Also, those who are watching this channel, this video for the first time, please follow us, subscribe us, so that notifications for the same can be sent to you. Thank you.